From this video, we will share an awesome and easy way to make $784,000 per year. Wow, that's a lot of money, Mosh. Is that what you're saying? Yes, it is a lot of money and it's possible for you to make as well. This is so easy, anyone can do it. Age doesn't matter, gender doesn't matter, your location doesn't matter. You don't need your experience. You don't need your own website. Even if you never made a single penny, you can still do it. Question, is this possible to make this amount of money overnight? Probably no. At least not in this system. But you can start making money from today. What I like about this system is you don't really need to work. You don't need to create anything. You're not gonna do the hard work. Somebody else did the hard work already. You're gonna take advantage of those hard work. Another thing I like about this system is that we're not the first ones who are trying it. There are so many other people who are already doing it and almost everybody is making money. So we're gonna take one of the easy examples and just follow them. So let us dive right in. It's about making videos, but you are not going to make videos. Other people already made videos. You're gonna take advantage of those videos legally. But here's the deal. You don't need complex softwares. You don't need technical knowledge. You don't need experience. You don't need to use cameras just like us. We use cameras because we love to be on the cameras. In your case, you don't have to be. You can use our software Epic. Link is in the description. Go grab it. Epic allows you to create videos out of image links or images. Epic gives you voiceover, natural voiceover from text. Epic writes the text for you if you want using artificial intelligence. So literally everything is in Epic. You can just grab your free access and start using it from today. Link in the description. Go get it. It's my software. You can use it free for my YouTube viewers. Okay, so the video problem is solved forever, right? Now let's go jump in. Try not to laugh. This is what I want to talk about here. Look at this. 3.83 million people every single month search on YouTube about something around try not to laugh. And trust me, these videos are so fun. Go ahead, check first how many people are doing it. Literally thousands of people and channels are doing it. These videos are out there on TikTok, Instagram, and other video channels. They have taken simple, small clips, compiled them, and some cases they added their reactions. That's what KSI does a lot. This is one of his channels and this is basically a reaction video channel and try not to laugh type of stuff. 15 million subscribers, but this is KSI. He already has a foundation, well-built foundation on YouTube, so having more channels is not a problem for him. But in our case, we want to try and see a simpler and easier channel, Life Awesome. This channel has comparatively low number of subscribers. Don't worry about subscribers. Worry about how many videos they have. Only 52 over the period of 2 years. You see that? They started March 21, 2020, and since then, since around 2 years, they have total of 52 videos, 224 million views, and 16.3 million views in last 30 days. Let's look at their income. They make approximately $784,000 per year. What do? They watch other people's funny videos, they compile them and turn them into 10-minute videos and just upload them. That's it. You can do it using Epic. Let me show you how easy it is to make videos or shorts using Epic. Click the Create New button, name your project, select the type of video you want to create, find an article that you want to take elements from, copy image URL and paste it right here, and immediately the image is imported. How cool is that? That's how easy it is to import any element to Epic from free links. Just copy and paste. Zoom, rotate or pan a bit to add a little drama in the image. Add a little text here to demonstrate what we are talking about. You can also fetch images from Pixabay, adding another one, little panning and zooming to give it a nice look. Okay, we are done here. Now we need some voiceover. We want to use this text as voiceover text or script. I'm going to add the text here on the video or the video slide as well, so the viewers can read what we are talking about, and change the settings of the text. Let's change the color opacity of the text, change the color of the text, position the text a little bit to make it nice. Now this text is not ours, so we want to rewrite it and make it our own. So for that, go to text generator and use the AI to rewrite this text. Now we're going to use this text as our voiceover script, and we can upload our voiceover if we have a sound file, we can record it directly from our microphone, or we can use this awesome natural text to audio feature. So click this add button, choose your favorite voiceover from this drop down list and paste the text here. Then simply click this button to create your voiceover by the software. How cool is that? Go to text to audio section and click add to this voiceover, and the voiceover is added in the video. This is one tiny video that you have created. You can make it as long as possible. You can add as many elements as you want, and you have full freedom to change anything you want. Click this add new button to add another video, and these are all our videos ready, done for you to use anytime you want, or you can use blank or use any of our templates. When you are happy with your work, click the render button and the video will be created in the background. And once the video is rendered and ready, you will get notified through email. Link is in the description. Go grab Epic, start using it right now. Okay, another channel here, 1.29 million subscribers. Hey, don't look at the number of subscribers because that's actually not important. When you have this quality content, you will get YouTube promoting your videos and you will get views. Subscribers won't be a big deal. What's big deal is the content itself. They have 65 videos, only 65 videos. Come on, I make videos every single day. In 2 months I make 65 videos, but they made funny videos that people actually enjoy. Look at this, 1 hour long video combination of other people's videos. They didn't do anything themselves. 13-minute videos, 14-minute videos, that's it. And look at the number of views, 247 million views. And look at their income, $582,000 a year. Wow, I love it. Especially when it comes to, I'm not doing anything myself. I'm taking other people's work, compiling them and using as my video. Well, don't ask me whether it's legal or not, because when the money is here, it's my money. Now about the legality of this system, you should actually look for YouTube stance, what YouTube thinks about this kind of videos, and add your own twist into the videos. You can add text, you can add music, you can add your own reactions. The more you use them, the more the videos will be unique and your channel will be safe from YouTube's wrath. In my personal opinion, the safest way to use this kind of method is to add your own reactions. But here is the best part. These days, you don't even need your own reaction. You can use 3D AI generated 3D models or even 2D models or even another meme as a reaction. Hundreds of thousands of examples. If you simply choose one channel as your guide and follow exactly what they did and add your own twist in the videos, that is good enough. If you like this video, I want 2 things from you. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, share this video with your friends and family so they also learn how to make money online the easy way and the right way. And I want you to take action starting today. These videos are fun videos. Watch them, have fun, have some love, and use my software Epic. Link in the description. It's free for my YouTube viewers. Make videos, publish them, and enjoy making money. If you already subscribe and switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next How to Make Money Online in 2022 video, and we will see you in the next video.